In 1932, Australia faced a crisis, a strange one, and almost nobody today believes it actually happened. Farmland in Western Australia was under attack, not by soldiers, not by invaders, but by emus, tens of thousands of them, huge, fast, hungry. They stormed farmland like an army made of feathers. They crushed fences, trampled crops, and left chaos behind wherever they moved. Farmers begged the government for help, and the government responded with something unbelievable. They sent soldiers with machine guns to fight birds. The first battle began. Bullets flew, the emus ran, and the soldiers discovered a big problem. These birds were incredibly fast and incredibly unpredictable. Whenever the soldiers aimed, the emus scattered. Whenever they chased one group, another group attacked a different field. It was like fighting 20,000 moving targets. At one point, the army's truck got stuck. The emus simply ran past it, like they were laughing. After thousands of rounds fired, almost no emus had been hit. The birds were basically invincible. Reports said the emus moved like a trained military unit. They even had a scout, a tall emu, who watched the soldiers and warned the flock. Was it true? No one knows, but it made the army look even worse. Eventually, the government surrendered. The emus won, officially. Final score: emus 1, humans 0. And that is the unbelievable story of the Great Emu War. History that makes you say, wow.